Today I'm gonna show you how to make the dual lightning effect in Photoshop. So the first thing that we have to do is to take a rectangular marquee tool and make a selection like this. And now we have to create a new layer of solid color adjustment and pick a color of whatever you want. I'm going to choose red and then hit OK. And now we have to change the blend mode to multiply. And now double click on the layer and increase the feather value around 80 or 90 pixels. And now all you have to do is to duplicate the layer that you were working on. And now select the layer mask and press Ctrl I to invert. And now double click and select the color that you want. I'm going to go with the blue. Hit OK. Now if you want, you can change the colors and also you can change the positions like this. And now all you have to do is to create a new layer of level adjustment layer. Now you have to drag the slider to the left side. As you can see, it will add brightness and highlight to your image. Now go to the layers, hold Shift and select all of them and press Ctrl G to make a group. Now it is all up to you, but if you want to add drama to your image, you can go to the curves and play with it. It will add depth to your image. And here you go. Make a group again. And now you can see. Here's the before and here's the after.